everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. No cooking recipes are a blessing and I rely on them when I'm too busy with work and I want to have something light and homemade. Today I'm going to share a wonderful snack recipe that you guys can enjoy during the evenings. This is Andhra street style mixture and we're going to make it with puffed rice, that is muri. Now this is a very nice and simple snack that you can just prepare in about 10 minutes. So let's get started and check it out. These are all the ingredients required to make this street style muri mixture. Here we have some onion, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilli, salt, red chilli powder, chaat masala powder, lemon juice, roasted peanuts, and the main ingredient for this recipe is of course puffed rice. Take a wide bowl, add finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomato, 1 finely chopped green chilli. You can add more chilies if you like it to be a little spicy. Some coriander leaves, some salt, you can adjust as per your taste, a little chilli powder, some chaat masala powder. Now you have to add the juice of 1 lemon. Mix all these ingredients once. You can also add keera or grated carrot if you like to this one. Now add the roasted peanuts and mix again. Finally, add the puffed rice and give it all a quick mix. You can check for seasoning at this point and add a little bit of salt or chilli powder if required. That's it. This great snack can be made in just under 15 minutes and you can enjoy it whenever you want. This mixture is totally filling and is a healthy one too. So good. I didn't expect it to be so good. Wow, that tasted really good. And you can see I just made it in very less time. It's so simple and easy to make with very few ingredients. And even if you're having some guests coming over without any prior notice and you want to make something nice for them, this is a go-to recipe for you guys. So give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section, and do share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.